Bonjour! Welcome to French Action. My name is Jenny. Today, I would like to share with you 10 translations of I am to express feelings. This is for beginners, but many people still make those mistakes. So, if you are preparing for an exam, watch this video because you may still be making these mistakes. Are you ready? Prêt? I am is je suis. However, to express feeling, we use j'ai. J'ai means I have. So be careful. Do not translate word for word. Otherwise, you will get it wrong. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! Well, this slide is not really one regarding feelings. However, I put it there because I know that many of us make that mistake. You know, we just want to say I am plus an age and we just say je suis. And that is a little bit normal because we tend to translate. So we have to be careful and we need to stop translating. We need to remember that when we say an age, when we give an age, we have to say j'ai. J'ai plus the number and the year. Okay? We know that, but sometimes it doesn't come out. And students lose a lot of marks because of these kind of mistakes. Okay? So now we are really talking about feelings. I am cold, meaning I am feeling cold. So you need to say j'ai froid. So you have j'ai, I have, and then froid is a noun, is masculine, and is le froid. I have the cold in my body. That's really what it means. That's why we say j'ai froid. Now, if you were to hear somebody using to be, être, and say il est froid, then the person is talking about a dead body. So if you touch a dead body, you can say il est froid because it would really be cold. But the dead body is not feeling cold. Okay? So you have to be careful. J'ai froid. Now the rule is going to be the same for hot. I'm hot. You're going to have the same chaud. J'ai chaud. Le froid, le chaud. Okay, so it's exactly the same structure. Be careful. Do not use je suis because it carries a sexual connotation. Okay, so you need to stick to the j'ai chaud. And that's why you shouldn't translate. We shouldn't translate word for word. I'm hungry. So here as well, we're going to have the noun faim. La faim. Hunger. I have hunger. J'ai faim. Have you noticed? I said faim and not femme, which are often here. The M is silent, is part of a sound. A-I-M is un. Whenever you see A-I-M together, it will always be un. So, j'ai faim. I'm thirsty. Here as well, we're going to have soif. which is thirst. La soif is feminine. J'ai soif. Have you noticed that I pronounced the F? J'ai soif. Oh, I'm sleepy. J'ai sommeil. J'ai sommeil. Sommeil is a noun, is le sommeil. So you just say j'ai sommeil. I'm scared. Ooh, I'm scared. J'ai peur. Peur is a noun, feminine, la peur. J'ai peur. I'm lucky. I've just won the jackpot, which is le gros lot in French. We are going to say j'ai de la chance. So here we're not just saying j'ai chance or as the previous expressions, but we'll have to say j'ai de la chance. J'ai de la chance. I'm lucky. De la just means some. I have some luck. J'ai de la chance. Oof, I'm too lazy to study. I can't bother. J'ai la flemme d'étudier. J'ai la flemme. So here I used to study so that you can see how the expression is used when you have a verb after. So here you would have j'ai la flemme de, which is the E, j'ai la flemme de. And as you can see, I put the study, to study, which is étudier in the infinitive form. But because de ends with an E and étudier starts with an E as well, just get rid of the first E, put the apostrophe, and that gives you d'étudier. Sounds 10 times better. J'ai la flemme d'étudier. J'ai la flemme. So here I'm pronouncing the two M's. J'ai la flemme. J'ai la flemme d'étudier. I'm fed up. J'en ai marre. So here we have an expression. You just need to learn it like that. J'en, En is Jean. Then you have ne, because we have a liaison between the N and the AI. J'en ai, and then we have marre. J'en ai marre. Well, I hope that you're not fed up with Jenny. That's all I have for you today. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Au revoir!